Welcome back to day 85, Mastering Hooks for Scroll Stopping Content. Your first 3 seconds matter more than anything. That's the time that you have to capture someone's attention before someone scrolls past you forever. Today, we're going to dive into the most important skill in the content creation, crafting hooks that actually work. By the end of this video, you're going to know exactly how to stop that scroll, make those people watch your hook. The hook is not click, it's clarity, it's clear, it's compelling reason for someone to stop scrolling and pay attention. Every person scrolling ask the question, what's in this for me? Your hook answers it immediately. It tells the people why they should stop and listen and why they should care. When you master hooks, your content becomes magnetic. People engage, comment, share, they come back for more. And here's the beautiful part. You don't need fancy equipment or a huge following. You just need to communicate value in the first few hints. That's the difference between content that gets ignored and content that gets results. So what makes a great hook? First, it speaks directly to a certain problem or desire. Instead of saying, let's talk about productivity, say, here's how I've doubled my output in half the time. One is generic, the other makes the promise. Second, a great hook creates curiosity without confusion. People should wonder what comes next while understanding what your video is about. And third, a strong hook uses the contrast and or a surprise. The challenge assumptions to present the unexpected information. So here's examples at work. Fitness. 10-minute routine burns more calories than an hour in the gym. Cooking. I've been making pasta the wrong way my entire life, and you probably have too. Business. I have spent $10,000 on ads before learning this one free strategy. Each creates immediate interest and communicates the value. Here's where most people get stuck. They think they need to be clever or witty, but the truth is, you don't need to be clever. You need to be clear. Clarity always beats cleverness. When someone understands what they'll get in the first 3 seconds, they'll stick around. When they're confused, they'll scroll on by. Your hook should be so clear that a distracted person scrolling quickly sits still and gets it. Common hook mistakes. First, being too vague. You need to see this. It doesn't tell people anything. Second, it's taking too long to get to the point. Your hook needs to happen immediately. And third, making your hook about you instead of your audience. People don't care about your journey until they understand how it's going to benefit them. Start with the problem, then connect it to a solution. Here is your practical application. Write down 10 hooks from the same content from the different angles. Why 10? Because your first idea is rarely the best. Then push past the obvious and discover the hooks that truly stand out. Try questions, statements, and bold claims. Don't judge as you write, just write them down. Once you have your 10, read them out loud. A hook that gets good written might feel awkward spoken. You just want to be natural in the conversational hooks. Pay attention which one energizes you. Which one would you stop scrolling with? Those are your strongest candidates. Now pick your favorite one, record it using just one. So now that you have your strongest candidates, I want you to take them and put them in chat. I want you to ask chat to give you more energized hooks and then let them energize you 10 hooks. Then once you do that, go back and say, I want more heart-centered compassion hooks that are energized. Let them do that. Then go in and tell them you want more vision in your hooks. Let them do that. And then you want to go back in and say, could you do more urgency within these hooks? Then there is the one. Now pick your favorite one. Go record one. Just one. Don't overthink it. Don't wait for the perfect condition. Record it on your phone. Keep it simple. Deliver the hook with confidence and then follow through with the content that matches your promise. You're on day 85. 85. You've shown up 84 times already. You have the discipline. You have the commitment. Now you're adding those powerful hooks to everything that you've learned in the last 84, now 85. Every video from this point forward will be stronger because you understand how to capture attention from that first second. So share that one hook in the comments below. I'll read through them. I'll help you strengthen them. And this is your chance to get your direct feedback and level up. There's no bad hooks, my friend. Only hooks that can be improved. So post yours below. Let's make the content impossible to ignore. And I'll see you tomorrow for day 86.